throne of stars, a robe of skies. Wisdom's fire burns in our eyes. No chains to bind, no fear to cling. We are kings, we are queens. in circles comes back around. From roots to sky, from sea to tree. Will you remember me? Echoes drift where love once stood. A melody carved in the wood. Remember me in the morning light. sun spills gold on the ocean wide. A rhythm whispers where my soul can hide. Each wave a prayer rolling deep inside. I hear the wind hum soft and kind. It sings of peace I long to find. Heaven on my mind, every step, every sign. Heaven on my mind, a love so divine. The trees sway slow like they've got no care. Roots hold the earth, a strength they share. I feel it all in the morning air. The sky's a canvas, colors combine. It paints the hope I've left behind. Heaven on my mind, every step, every sign. Heaven on my mind, a love so divine. the tears I find the light, a healing flame burning bright. Every time I cry, I feel the earth sigh. Every time I cry, I see the clouds fly. Oh, every time I cry, my soul reaches high. A river flows where my sorrow grows, washing pain down where the wild grass shows. And still the sun waits for the bloom to know. Through the shadows comes the day. The roots grow strong in the clay. Every time I cry, I feel the earth sigh. Every time I cry, I see the clouds fly. Oh, Every seed she plants it grows to the sky. She's the sun in the morning, the stars when I cry. God is a woman, her love is divine. She moves like the river, she bends space and time. God is a woman, hear her heart shine. She's the beat in my chest, she's the holy design. Her hands hold the earth, her breath births the breeze. She dances with thunder, she humbles the seas. She's the roots in the ground, she's the fruit on the tree. Her whispers a prayer, her silence sets free. Oh, I feel her near, everywhere I steer. She wipes every tear. God is a woman, her love is divine. She moves like the river, she bends space and time. God is a woman, hear her heart shine. She's the beat in my chest, she's the holy design. She hums in the wind, she's the song of the rain. Her laughter heals sorrow, her mercy ends pain. She is light, she is shadow, she's the truth in between. The mother of all things, the eternal unseen. The sun dips low and the air feels sweet. Rhythms roll like waves beneath my feet. A whisper in the breeze says stay. I close my eyes, I breathe it in. Feels like the start, not the end. I could get used to this. Oh yes, I could. I could get used to this. Feels too shadows dance in the fading light. The stars wake up and the world feels right. Every heartbeat hums with peace. The earth it sees a puzzle